Hi, this is Buddy, saxophonist for George Thorogood. I've had other horn players to come up to me from time to time and wanted to know what kind of horns I play. My two main horns I play on stage are the Selmer Super Action 80 Series 2 alto and tenor. I also carry two backup horns, and they are the Yamaha Model 52 alto and the Model 62 tenor. And as far as mouthpieces go, on the tenor I played the Van Doren Jumbo Java T95, which is a hard rubber mouthpiece, and on the alto I played the Claude Lakey hard rubber 7-star. So there you have it. Come see us. Bye.